it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with So I'm starting off, I've already cleansed, toned, moisturized, used my serums, and all of that on my face. So I am excited to try this Charlotte Tilbury, yeah, makeup foundation. Is in the color number 9. So I'm hoping that I purchased the correct one. And it comes in this cute little bottle. Let me see. Oh, and it's a pump. How lovely is that? So, like let me see, this makeup, it says it's flawless, it's poreless, it's youthful looking skin every day. So, it's supposed to actually really make your skin look youthful. It says flawless, long-lasting coverage, a broad spectrum of sunscreen, or SPF of 15. So, yeah, the color is number 9, and it is dark foncé. Dark foncé. So yeah, right now I usually, sometimes I use a primer, but most of the time I don't. Most of the time I don't use a primer. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my face and we're gonna get started. Sometimes purchasing foundations online can be a little tricky because you just, you know, it may not match or, you know, things like that. So we're gonna see. Doesn't look too bad. Let me just put some on instead on my hand. Put a little here. Now let's see. Okay. It says full coverage, so I guess it's buildable. Let me just see. So far, it looks like it's my color, so yay, I did good. I did really good. Let me just zoom in a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Now, I never bring makeup or any kind of foundation all the way up to my eyes, especially on mature skin, because that sometimes can cause more wrinkles, and you can just, it settles in the creases, and that is what I am trying to avoid, so I don't do that. I'm just gonna put a little bit more. It is what I really want to test this out, but so far so good. I'm not gonna put a lot. I just want to apply a little bit more, just for a little bit more coverage. But I like it so far. I like the way it feels. It really feels light, really light. What y'all think? It looks like skin, huh? Just put some down here on my neck area. So I'm gonna start on my eyebrows, and usually how I do my eyebrows, this is, I was gonna do them off camera. Oh, let me just put some foundation in between this too, because I don't have any. Okay. Now back to these brows. You just brush them up, and I was gonna do it off camera, but hey, I get so many compliments on my eyebrows. I'm just gonna show you just how I do them. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hill, and I'm Brow Wiz, and I'm using the color Auburn. And what I do, I really just go in the direction that my eyebrows are. I just go in that direction. It kind of drew me a little line a little bit, but I clean it up a lot of times later. So I just kind of go in that direction first. See, in your eyebrows, it's usually right here starts, and then right where your nose area, this area right here, is where your arch is gonna be. and then the end. So that's the formula of how, you know, you're supposed to line your eyebrows up. This is the beginning of them. So yeah, this is how I just start doing them, and then I just kind of go back with the pencil in Auburn, and this is by Anastasia Beverly Hill as well. Now I just take this Wonder Brow, I think it's by NYX Wonder pencil. I love this little pencil. It's like a nudish color pencil, and I just take it and I clean it up like this. This is how I do. I love this little pencil. It is so good, by NYX. That's just how I just clean it up, because it looks like my complexion. And I just go in, clean everything up. I don't like the little square eyebrow look. I don't like that. So I just clean it up on each side. And this is my brow set. It's by MAC, and it's called Boy Girl or Girl Boy. One of them. And I just set it, and this just seals everything, and it's the color of my hair. And well, not exactly the color, but it's like that auburn light brownish color. It just makes everything look a little bit more natural. So, see, and that's it. See the difference? So, I finished my eyebrows. So now we're gonna try this. Also, Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer by Too Faced. So let's see. That's how it looks. And I have got the Honey, the shade Honey. So let me see. It looks like it's maybe my complexion, which, ooh, okay. Put some on my lid as well. Oh, okay, because I'm funny about my concealers. So let's see. And I have a damp beauty, a sponge, a beauty sponge. The way it is going on, oh my goodness. Yeah, I like this. And I'm very, very picky about my concealers. I mean, very picky, because concealers can make or break you, okay? They can make you look 50 times older than what you are. And so I like this. And I'm going just for my everyday look. I just really decided to finish up. I just put some liner on my top lid, but might as well finish up here. Adding a little bit of blush. I just did a little bit of bronzing, so I'm not doing a lot today. It's just a regular typical day, and I don't have a full face usually of makeup on like this. So let me see. You know what I need? I'm gonna try this mascara too by Milk Cosmetics Kush mascara. So it's supposed to high volume, and because I'm not gonna wear any lashes. But what I like to do is take a black eyeliner and go up under there when I'm not wearing lashes. So I really didn't do anything to the eyes. I just put a little bit of bronzer up on my lids to make it appear like I did something. So I decided, let me just come on back in here. So you notice when you add eyeliner to your up under your lids, it just makes it, make it look fuller, like thicker, I'll say. So let's see. This is how the brush looks. And this is the Milk Cosmetics mascara. And the wand. Let me see if I can put my hand. Okay, so this wand is pretty. Just pulling them out some. Let's see. I just want to see. So we are not wearing any lashes today, guys. No. I do not wear lashes on a regular basis anyway. So I just cannot believe that it is October already, and my birthday is Saturday. October the 13th. I think that's right. Yeah, because you know what? Last time it was, my birthday was on a Friday, and everybody was like, ooh, October the 13th. I said, this is a good day. October the 13th is a good day. Maybe I may add some highlight to my face in a minute. No, I'm not lining. I'm gonna use this as a liner. And the lipstick is by Maybelline. I love these bright colors. I love it. This is by Maybelline, and it's number 35 in Maybelline Liquid Matte. Like I said, I always link everything in the description box below. So far, I just like the way it looks. I like the youthful dewiness that it gives. It's giving my skin. So it is now 11:09 Eastern Standard Time. See, 11:09. So we're gonna see how long or how this makeup looks after some hours. Okay, so I have a lot of errands to do, running, work, everything. So I'll be back. Hey guys, it is now, let's see, 4:28, and this is how my makeup is holding up so far. So far, so good. It looks really good. Still, I haven't done anything, haven't touched up, not anything. So concealer is not creasing up. It still looks good. Yeah. And how long? 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, okay, so yeah, I'll come back later on. We're keeping it going. I've been running some errands, work, doing some everything, and yeah, it looks wonderful. So yeah, I'll come back a little later on and just give you an update and let you know how it's actually really holding up, guys, okay? So I'm loving this so far, and I still have the youthful dewy looking look, I guess. I love it. Okay, it is now 9:17 Eastern Standard Time, and I want to just come in and just show you or tell you what I thought about this foundation. I haven't touched up anything, okay? So as you can tell, I think I still have the dewy look. It's not overly shiny, but it does have like a glow to my skin. I think my skin looks pretty daggone good. I like the way the overall appearance of my face look and my skin. Okay, so now for the Too Faced Sculpting Concealer. I see a little creasing right here, you know, a little bit. See a little bit of creasing, going on 10 hours maybe. And I'm looking, I haven't touched up anything. I know usually if it does something like this, which I don't have a lot of creasing with my concealers. And usually you can just take your hand and kind of just go back over it, I believe. Let me see. I haven't even done that, and it kind of go back into place. So it's pretty good for no touch-ups, I guess. I like the way it went on. Maybe I have to usually too, sometimes if I really want my foundations and things to stay and not crease, I will go ahead and use a primer. And I use a primer too right up under the eye area, so maybe this time I'll try with the primer. But I like it. I like the consistency of it. I like how smooth it went on. So it has been a while. So we'll see. I mean, so far I like it. It does have a little bit of creasing. If you have dry skin and mature skin, yeah, after a certain amount of time, it's been maybe about 9 hours, it does show a little bit of creasing right up in this area a little bit. So, but as far as the texture, the way it goes on, the smoothness, I really like the applicator. I like everything. But so yeah, I will definitely try this again. I really will, because I did like the effects of this a lot. So, and maybe I have to set it with a little bit of powder, because I didn't use any setting powder. I just sprayed. As you remember, I just used setting spray. So maybe I'll try a little bit of setting powder to see how it works with that. The mascara by Milk Cosmetics. I can probably pass on this. It did my lashes all right. Would I purchase any of these items again? Yes, I would definitely purchase this Magic foundation. I definitely do like this by Charlotte Tilbury, and I will use the Born This Way concealer. I'll use it again. I will pass. I mean, I like my Better Than Sex mascara. So I'm gonna use this again, and I will update you. Maybe I didn't use enough coats. I don't know, but as of right now, yeah, I can pass on this mascara. I do. So yeah, so I enjoyed testing this makeup out. I really do like the way my skin feels and look with this. So anyway, I hope this video has been helpful to you. You can go on over and check me out at NeeCJae.net. Also, you can go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe on your way out if you haven't done so already. And also click that notification button. I'm receiving a lot of people letting me know, or emailing me letting me know that they have not been receiving my notifications. So go ahead and click that bell. Every time I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. So anyway, guys, I thank you so very much for tuning in. Everything that I use, I will put it down in the description box below. I thank you so very much for supporting me in each and everything that I do. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.